So this is US oil analysis for Wednesday, the 10th of January. Now, let's have a look what having prices and where they may likely go in the future. So, we've had this move upwards in oil, brief consolidation, pullback, broke below the 61.48, found support just below above $61 a barrel, came up, oscillated around 61.48, brief move upwards to test the 62.54. We came within 1 cent of the level. We came all the way up to 62.53. Had a brief pullback down towards the 20 period moving average marked at here. I think it's 20. It's 20 period moving average marked out here in red. Found support there. We did see strong bullish buy side momentum to break above this 62.54. We've had a break, pullback, and further continuation upwards. So we, in light of the most recent trend being to the upside, we have to look for potential upside targets where there might potentially be resistance in this market. So scroll over here. There we are. So the very next levels that we are looking at would be 63.76. We see our price direct towards 63.76, where we do see some sell side momentum possibly get down towards the 62.54, finding support before a further move upwards. If, however, we do turn around from where we are again, where we are at present, we're looking to see our price direct around 62.54. 62.54 has proved to be minor resistance in the past, and again, we're looking to see buy side momentum to come into the market in around the 62.54 break, from which we're looking for 61.48. Now, I wouldn't think that would come into focus, but now if we do see the further upside continuation and we did break above 63.76, the very next level that we are looking at is quite a bit away. The very next level marked out here on the chart, 65.60. So 200 or so cents away, or $2 away. So we'll see how prices react above 63.76, where we do test for support before further upside continuation. Now, we do have to be aware as we're going in somewhat uncharted territory. We'll see our price react towards the whole dollars and half dollars. So we'll see our price react towards 64, 64.50, and 65 before we eventually start to look at 65.60. Now, with that said, we've mentioned levels to the downside and to the upside on US oil. We might as well have a look at the higher time frame. So if we have a look here on the daily chart, we get the scale on here correct. We change it to auto. As you can see, we've been a very strong and persistent bullish trend on the US oil pretty much since midsummer. Just down here, so we're looking in around June. As we can see, prices have headed upwards pretty consistently, brief pullbacks here and there, market rest stops before further upside continuation. So we do seem to be heading upwards, possibly towards $100 a barrel, but that's too far away. But for now, we'll see our price direct towards 63.76, and from there we'll see what the market gives us. And with that said, that should pretty much wrap up the US oil analysis. Thanks for watching. Now we'll head over to the US 30. So over to US 30 we go. And here on the US 30, we can see we've had a strong move to the, wrong chart time frame. So we're going to make sure we change that to the hourly rather than 30 minutes. So here we are. So we've had a very strong move to the upside from breaking above 24,864. We've not had much of a reaction to 25,000. Brief reaction. Let's just clean these charts up. So we've had a brief reaction to 25,101. Tested from above, and we've had further upside continuation above 25,300. Pullback to which we've had a break of 25,400. So we have to have fallbacks. Then we have further upside continuation. So above this 25,400, I am looking for prices to head to 25,600, from which we might potentially see a negative reaction or some sell side movement to come into the market for prices ahead towards the 25,500 or 25,400. And beyond say 25,600. We are looking at the whole numbers on the US 30. So beyond 25,600, we'll see our prices react in around the 25,700 and 25,800 if we do get up there. But I don't anticipate us moving over 400 points here on the US 30 in a day. And with that said, we've mentioned all levels to the upside as well as the downside. So if we did see some selling momentum come into this market again, we'll be looking to possibly find support in around this 25,101 or the 25,000 mark, coupled with the 200 period moving average here. And with that said, I should pretty much wrap up the US 30 analysis. Thanks for watching.